Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you can't find any games on the Google Play Store in TECNO Pop 7. And to do this we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Inside, when we try to find a game like Call of Duty, or basically most of the other games, we'll be able to see the icon, but when we click on it nothing happens. And to fix this, go back, click on your profile picture, open the settings, go for family, enter parental controls, and right here you can either deactivate or activate parental controls with a switch, or go for apps and games, increase PG to 16 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. Now we can go back and look for the game again. And it's right here, we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.